Good morning, Year 11. How are you? It's Wednesday, the 25th of March, 2020. Work for today. So period 1 is maths. So I've put this in Google Classroom. Finish your perimeter work. Remember what perimeter is. It's the distance around the outside. Questions 7, 8 and 9 on that are really important. So make sure that you do that. So they were part shapes. Then just quickly go through, you can read this. I am trying to keep up your reference book and then your examples. So in this case, I would like you to read area. You do need to know these formulas. So copy fairly similar to the textbook, add one more column and put an example in there. And you'll get the examples from page 24 and 25. Can you write in big letters the steps to find area are 1, formula, 2, substitute, 3, calculate, and then there's just some practice questions. After you've done the easy ones, move to reading the area of composite shapes and also again write notes in your reference book with an example. Try and keep your notes condensed, so don't write everything, and complete questions 10 to 13 or more if you like. If you could take photos and upload them to completed work, that would be great. That's in this student work file. I can see that you've done it and how well I can check. So that would be great if you can do that one. For some reason, down here is the class comments. I'll be online at 9 this morning. If you've got any comments or you want to ask or clarify or you can't do something, I'm still getting better at technology, but I will write the answer and upload it, and I'll see if I can do that all here. So the work for today is in your textbook, and I've got this textbook, which is the interactive textbook. So when I came here, that's year 9, but if I change my textbook, and this is the interactive section, I've got a lot more things. So here are the formulas, add a column here. I should have said that these are also important because it's converting the area into the units that we use. So the hardest one, this is what I wanted to show you. If you're in your interactive textbook, says find the area of a triangle, there's actually a video on this. So if you're getting caught, use the videos. And I just clicked on the video.
In this example, we'll be finding the area of the quadrilateral that's been shown in the diagram. Firstly, we note that the shape is actually a trapezium.
Okay, good luck. I will, as I said, be online. So I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how you're going, how your uploading is, and I will give you a Cambridge test or check-in Friday. All right, take care and look forward to seeing you again. I can't edit this, so if I say something silly, I'm just going with it. Thanks. Bye.